What if one man's act of defiance could end an entire siege? Rome was starving. The Etruscan king Lars Porsena had surrounded the city with his massive army. Young Gaius Mucius knew someone had to act. He slipped into the enemy camp at night, dagger in hand, ready to kill the king. But in the darkness, he struck the wrong man. Guards seized him instantly. Death was certain. The king threatened him with torture, demanding answers. Instead of begging, Mucius did something unthinkable. He calmly walked to a burning brazier and placed his right hand directly into the flames. His flesh sizzled. He never flinched, never screamed. The king stared in horror as Mucius spoke through the pain. 300 Romans like me are coming. We fear nothing. Terrified by such resolve, the king immediately freed him and lifted the siege. One moment of courage saved an empire.